Amadou, Senegalese say Amadou.
Yes. That Amadou, he has a party tonight. Let's go shut down.
Ha! My which party? My mama sent me to my sister's site. Oh, she said I should go and get old bots and stuff. So I cannot go for any party now. I beg, can't go help me to finish quick.
I tell you about party, tell me about firewood. Now my level that. Take care of me.
I will check the party after. We'll check sense after. But now I beg. I don't want to me talk up and down. Let's just go for this. Let's just go to the site and do that. So I beg.
And because now you, Sandra, and they come, I take taxi.
2 hours later.
Wait, Sandra. Let's still get the baby hustle.
It's my sister's house.
And you do work on that son. You're looking this wretched.
Hey, Vanessa, if you want to coach me straight. I'm looking how.
See, bro, your style does not really care about you people.
I have no balance. I'm telling you. You cannot imagine. Whenever I speak, I'm the bad person. Today, my project this, my project that, my hard-earned money. I'm investing. Every day, na investment. 1 franc, so my sister strong.
Bro, for that kind of person, so we get for find way for chop for the project.
How?
You get for find way chop for the project.
How?
See that engineer with the baby belly for day. Now you chop all your sister money.
Mommy!
Do you know how much they have spent here?
She will not listen. She trusts them. She will not allow anybody to work on this project if it's not the engineers.
How do you get those? You're the one on ground. Sabotage them. They cannot be that perfect. Film something, send it to her.
Vanessa.
She trusts you now. You don't be family member.
Vanessa, there's no way. I don't try. I need the work.
You think that how is Dola taking care of me?
And Dola line for business.
Dola they control all a family thing. They are just for people they over stingy. See where I look. See you.
Mommy, they fine. You are not lie for that one. You very fine. Ha. Oh God, yeah.
So now what if I want you say bring me for kakari for here?
If I want to mommy.
People they sell them. See as they made the window, so see something. See that hole for that side, see something. That's what you get for me. No.
If you go work me a day, I don't want to suffer. I don't think get bush fall at the sofa. See as I day at the sofa, we get bush fall for family.
Trust me. Now I time this will shine.
I said, talk. No, believe it. You say go work then.
That off place. People don't do what.
Mr. Jules, have you made sure the level of the cups are perfectly aligned vertically? Because we have to vet that area before plastering.
Yes, engineer. I've had them check.
Okay, team, listen up. Professionalism and quality is non-negotiable on this project. We are following sequential planning and everything is going to be done here according to plan. All that plastering, before I want to see a second coat there, that plastering, that spatadashing has to be properly approved by I myself or my colleague here. I want to see constant use of spirit level at all those angles, all those windows. I want you to be using spirit level to ensure that all of them are straight. And before any cable is going to be passed on these pipes, it has to be properly checked. It should respect the quality which were specified on all the technical specifications. So let's do this thing once and for all. So let's get to work, guys.
Noted, sir.
3 days later.
Sandra, now what you show me so?
Sis, I'm telling you, those people are doing you. They're duping you. They are buying materials in bulks and it's like they carry it and send it to the other project. You don't even see a material. Your work is not going. Those people are doing you, sis.
I know these people are professionals and I have been receiving videos from them. They have been giving me feedback of everything that's happening. So what's going on now?
Professionals or thieves? That's because they show you what they want you to see. They don't show you the bad things. I'm the one on ground. I'm telling you what's happening, sis. Those people are doing you. There's nothing like professionals. Their work is not even going on.
No, Sandra. I'm just so worried. I'm so scared. I'm so worried. You don't just spoil my day. I'm telling you.
It's not to fear, sis. You know, a problem seen is a problem solved. Already, as we know, we already at least there's a way forward to drive them. That's all I can tell you. We look for somebody who is a professional, but cheaper. We follow up on him. We make sure we buy all the materials that he does not steal anything. No, you see the difference.
I say, Sandra, since when did you people become engineers to control projects?
How does it start? That's how people do their things here. People don't go for this company. You go for someone cheaper, very cheap, and the person will just control your things. You make sure you buy your materials, you follow up on them, and they do your work.
So this person you have in mind, are you sure he can handle that project better?
He can handle it. No fear.
Okay. If that's the case, I would like to speak with him. I would really like to have a conversation with him.
Okay, sis, there's no problem. You can talk to him. You speak to him yourself and you see. There are many people, many of them. You bring in someone and your work will go. Don't bother. No fear. Vanessa, this electric guy, I'm scared though. He doesn't look like it. He doesn't look like I handle this project.
Say, my sister. That one family and a company do one. Not be company.
It's kind of family has this.
My don't you do electrician. My do has. And my do has it after 15 years. I don't have 4 years hand. Go me to the man.
The way I see, I'm just looking at him.
I know the man.
You
We
sure,
don't
Vanessa?
We
You
don't
so?
need these things. We don't need these things.
Come
My
on,
business is what they do now. We don't need those things. We'll go.
Mr. Electric,
Yes, madam.
you sure say can you handle this project?
Forget all this engineering. Now, people than me, I've been an experienced person. Work no be a mop. You got to see what I'm going to do. Don't worry. It's not about wearing big shoes, carrying book, putting on helmet, go to the side. The real OGs, they know them from their work.
Because I don't want me trouble for future. Say house, this, that.
I'll
Vanessa,
go
you
me.
trust it. Thank you. I should talk. Vanessa, my sister's calling. Oh. Electric, my sister wants to talk to you. So come.
Is that the electrician?
Hello, madam.
Can you handle full electrification?
where to? You know, yeah, that name say they call electric. Madam, see, at the wire hotels, wire restaurant, wire church, all things at the wire arm.
Are you sure?
You know, and the good thing is when I take one, it waste time. As I take your work, so I do just like I finish I get him, no, I get my boys, they will come, we'll do all things.
So, how do you take it from here?
Let's say if you delay me and you know, now money. Once I do your estimation for you, you confirm and you do payment, you pay, work start. Nah, so work don't finish. I tell you, I need to waste me time.
Are you going to use the old electrical layer plan or you are going to create a new one?
No, that plan. For me, I don't want to use me plan. I do it to plan. I dey for feel. I dey see work they go, I dey work they go me. I need ever follow me plan. But if you want to see my use plan, I will use them. But for me, I need to see my use plan. No. Okay. Tell me now. You want to see the work start now when? Okay. No, that means I go do estimate now for you. I go do estimate. In fact, I dey for place now, so I go do estimate. Nah, say now for you. You do payment tomorrow. I call my boys to start your work. Go finish. I tell you now, so we'll give you key. Okay. Yeah, okay. I will just do the estimate now for you. Thank you.
I tell you no. And the chicks are the work. You know her. Trust me. You know her.
Electric, you know the plan.
Yes.
Anything where the pass so, anyone if you go where you no get problems, if you just go so, that would use and one cheap things. No go the buy with expensive things, they let that engineer them. You understand? Electric no. Buy only that cheap one. Cheap one. As if you just go so fast, if you just light so bob, all things do use na cheapest quality. You go. If you lighting them for us, if you your hair, cheap things. No, find a cheap thing them. Check out. Okay. All right. Oh, receipts.
Wow. The project owner is taking the project away from us. Hey, wow. She's not saying anything meaningful. She's just taking the project away from us and telling me a certain Mr. Electric will do the job. So I don't just understand. I'm so confused.
Oh my God, let me see the message. This is really a bad place to be. After all the hard work. Anyways, we have tried our best. If that is her decision, so let it be.
She thinks that Mr. Electric would do a quality job and will really achieve what we're trying to achieve on that project. Then we only have to let her go. We've really tried, we've put in a lot of energy on this project. And if she would just wake up and send us this kind of message that she wants her project back, so let it be. We just wish her the best. Let her project.
That's true, we can't do otherwise.
Meanwhile,
See money back to back. If not of you, I've been suffering for long, Vanessa. Cheers. If that you wise, if you don't get, Vanessa for a reason. I cannot play with you in my life. Only you, mommy. What's it, Coco? Mommy, not you. No, you are very good friend of you.
Oga Electric. You just need to cable so go work. You need to be waiting dry.
See, give me, it's in the work. At least you go work it. Go connect them. In fact, wait my connect the thing safe.
Hey.
No, That's good. Go and put on the meter.
Are you sure?
Yes, go and put it. Go off meter!
Oh, waiting!
Off meter!
You talk say!
Go off meter!
Metal water!
Bring water! Quick!
Metal water, which one?
Bring water! Off meter! Bring water, quick! Oh, come! Somebody in my house. If I'm not for you, I can't tell you work. But Corona, and the face me this. Jesus! Come in, village so. Go now, go. Jesus! Go boss it.
I said, I don't send me some video. They've sent me a video, Vanessa. My sister's house is burning now. They've sent me a video. Come and see. It's AI. It's AI how? This is a video. My sister's house burning now. AI. Call me electric first. Wait, let me first call electric. I know even give me my skin to shake. Hey. He's not picking. Call electric. Call that electric. This is my sister's house burning now. Call those engineers, Vanessa. Call those engineers all the time. Let's call those engineers. Where, Vanessa? Where? Papa, God, my sister's house burning. Vanessa, go. Where? Let's go. Let's go now.
And I really told this woman about the quality of material. It wouldn't have been worse.
I feel so sorry for her. This is low quality cables.
You ask Bona because we start the work.
How will you be using 1.5 as a main supply to a house? It's not making any sense. This is so crazy. Did you even use the plan? On what basis do you use this? It's not making any sense for me.
Look at this is
This usually you can't carry something you do and you can't put hand for it.
That is it. When you go for cheap quality, when you go for unexperienced workers.
and to think that we advised her and she did not listen.
Is there anything we can do at this moment? Is there anything?
I'm really sorry.
Vanessa!
You won't listen, so that is it. Can't do anything. Let's go.
My sister has killed me! Vanessa has killed me! Oh, electric! Vanessa!
What? No. Blood of Jesus. No. Blood of Jesus.